If that ain't one of the prettiest rear ends you've ever seen, I don't know what is. And that is one good looking front end too. Anyways, today we've got a box from AWE. And we are going ahead and getting rid of that ugly stock exhaust system. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this right now, and we're gonna lay everything out, take a look at it. I'm gonna get some sound shots for you on the Mk8 GTI with the stock system, so we have a baseline, and then once we get everything installed, we'll actually do a couple runs with it and hear the difference, hopefully. Okay, so going through everything, this is the track edition exhaust. So normally, if you have a touring exhaust, this is gonna be your muffler. And then we've got our Y pipe and just another pipe along with our resonator. And you come over here, and this is kind of a neat little touch that they did. Unlock performance, right there. And that's some pretty damn good packaging. So I did get off work, so I'm a little raggedy and sweaty, but all things considered, I'm excited and ready to get going. This is not a cheap system. I got this on sale and I spent almost 900 bucks on it. So hopefully it's worth the money. I guess we'll find out here in a bit when we jack this thing up and get it put on. But it is a very good looking system. It has 5-inch tips, so it's gonna fill out that diffuser on the car really well. And it's 3 inches all the way back. And it's also got an adapter for the stock downpipe. So if you've got a stock downpipe, but you want this exhaust, it comes with the adapter for it. So we'll go ahead, get a couple clips of this real fast, and then go ahead and get started on jacking it up and getting the old exhaust pulled off. Say hi to everybody.
Hi, everybody.
So
Austin got an exhaust, cooler exhaust than he put on mine.
That's a cooler car.
Mine's cooler. Look at it over there. She's looking all pretty.
Miss Mom here is gonna be filming our before sound clips for us. Here's a quick clip of stock exhaust just idling in a kind of visual so you can see beforehand. Just a little bit of sound.
Sheesh. Don't get an exhaust.
Sorry, Mr.
Going up.
On a Tuesday. It's Monday,
Oh well. Alright, guys. So, we have a
but a nice, clean stock
exhaust here.
So this kit is going to be replacing from this little resonator on back. So we'll undo this sleeve. We probably will have to drop some plastics. We'll at least have to drop this brace right here, and we'll come back and drop these exhaust hangers, and then that'll give us room to pull everything out and start putting the new one in. Oh, that's kind of goofy.
What's goofy? Oh, you got a little hole right there.
Yeah, that's...
Who would have known?
What a
You
concept.
can't even see. There.
Yeah, once the car's lower, you won't even be able to tell.
You can't tell now. I didn't know it was there.
I do now. So now I'm subconsciously going to think about that.
All right, well, here we go.
Baby ratchet.
That's a face.
Shut up.
She insisted that she wanted to do this.
I want to do this part.
So,
It's like the only thing I'm good at. And it's new. It's not old and rusty.
so it's not crusty.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to get off than the dots and stuff. Oh, that.
So everything so far has been 13s on the exhaust. We've got a 13. Ooh, let's focus. It's not focusing. Any day. There you go. A 13 up in there on the exhaust hanger. We've got two 13s on that exhaust clamp.
Probably a 13 here too, but I'm using a half hitch.
Those are 13s. So I would assume that this exhaust hanger is also a 13. Everything has been super easy so far because it's all brand new. So there's been zero struggling. I think I have 2,300 miles on the car. So not a whole lot of time for things to heat up and harden and get locked up. Justice found a factory. Oh, I already loosened it.
Oh, I was like, that's not tight.
So, quick note here is the fuel strap actually is attached to that exhaust hanger. So, if you look up in there, they both go together, which hasn't seemed to affect the height of the fuel tank, but I wouldn't go pushing on it or anything. So the factory exhaust system is now off, which leaves just the factory downpipe. Yep. So now we're gonna come over here and start assembling everything. So this is going to go after the straight pipe. This is gonna go first. So while she's over there looking pretty, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the exhaust hangers off of these and transfer them onto the no exhaust.
Told me to do my job, so here we are.
All right, so what I'm doing, doctor's plan.
What are you doing?
We got some pipe to lay inside the car, and I don't want to get my juices all over the brand new pipes and have it smoke everywhere.
Gloves.
So I'm gonna do my best to mitigate that. Come over yonder.
Ugh.
These are all the same. Oh shit, what are those for?
This ones that say China.
We got these.
That's what I
Go
asked
ahead
you.
and throw one of these on here. She's got the PP all lined up. So then we're gonna need
Oh,
one of those.
keep me go out of focus. So, nifty.
I can't remember how this comes off. I think it was like so.
Would you pop on where?
We got our exhaust hanger on the new pipe. This is gonna go in the between.
Slide over there like so. It's gonna look at your face instead of the pipe.
So, will you grab me one of those nuts? Got a cool little tidbit here. It says AWE. I don't know how well that'll pick it up.
You can see it.
Track ignition with the serial number. And then again, it says performance unlocked on it.
Pretty cool.
Yes, ma'am. So it's a bit louder. So far it's not like obnoxious. Ooh, you get some mad DSG farts. Tell you what. Ooh, pops and bangs.
You got some DSG farts.
Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. It's not too loud. Let's see. We'll put it into custom and just drive regularly. So you got a little bit of noise, unlike the stock exhaust. So at least you know the cover's on. But so far, not having gone on a highway, it's not too noisy.
Not too bad. Okay.
So we're cruising about 70 miles per hour right now, and I don't know how well you guys can hear the car, but it is not really droning. Like, you can hear the car and the fact that it's running, but it's not droning. If I go down to 65, you get just a little bit of drone. Nothing obnoxious, but a little bit more than at 70. Overall, I like the exhaust. We will pull up here in a minute when we're off of the highway and get some more DSG farts with the window down.
Woo!
We're gonna get some DSG farts in there for you.
I like the sound of them. My car does the same thing. And I was super excited after I got an exhaust bleh, on mine. And I was super excited when it had little farts. I thought they sound so cool. These ones sound better. Hello.
Howdy. How was that?
Hot.
Was it loud?
Oh, it sounds so good. Should almost switch spots so you can hear it. It sounds so good. Okay.
Take two.
Or 3, 4. It's fine.
Yeah. So if you guys are in the market for an exhaust, I hope this kind of leads you in the right direction. Once again, this is the Track Edition exhaust by AWE. So it doesn't have the secondary muffler, it just has the resonator. And I think that this is plenty loud for a daily. And if this is the loudest option that AWE has, I probably wouldn't go touring mode if you're wanting more sound. The Track Edition does just enough without going overboard, in my opinion. And it's a decent price, kind of pricey, but for what it is, it's a good exhaust.
It's really not that bad. I like it. It's quiet. Or not quiet, but it's louder than stock, but not overwhelmingly loud. Yeah, especially with us having a baby on the way, it's better to have something a little bit quieter.
So without further ado, make sure you like, comment. I love comments. I love replying to you guys. I reply to everybody who leaves a comment on the video. And subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Peace.
Bye.